Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Privilege Programmer. Today I just want to show you a simple project that you can use, that you can develop using potentiometer. I'm using 50 ohms potentiometer. Potentiometer is used to convert the digital signal to an analog signal. As you see in this picture, this is the potentiometer that you see, and then you need 4 LEDs. This is what you call a strobe disco lights project. So it's a project that mimics the lights just like the light of a police car. So you need 4 LEDs, 2 blue and 2 red. Then you connect them on the breadboard. So here I'm now showing you the project that I have recorded using the breadboard. So follow along, just to see the project, and then you will see how you do it. But don't forget that you also need the Arduino IDE integrated development to upload your code. So if you need the code about this project, you can just write on the comment section, then I'll give you the project. These are simple projects that you can do at an early stage. So just look at it. This is the project. As you see, the lights are exchanging, the blue light and the red lights. So what you do is the LED is 2 legs, the shorter leg and the longer leg. The longer leg is the positive leg and the shorter leg is the negative leg. So here you connect on each two LEDs, you connect the shorter legs with a jumper wire, and you also connect the longer leg with another jumper wire. Then the red light, 2 positive lights, you connect them to analog pin 11 on Arduino, and then the blue lights, the 2 positive legs, you connect them on Arduino pin number 12. Then you do the codes. Then the shorter legs, you also connect them together, and then you connect them to Arduino ground. So this is how you do this project. Thank you for watching my tutorial. My name is Privilege Programmer. I'll be glad if you subscribe to my channel. I'm in embedded engineering. So if you subscribe to my channel, I will be very happy. Even if you like this video, you can share it, you can comment for the benefit of others. So thank you for watching my YouTube tutorial. Thank you so much.